Alright, we're back. Spacer, 200. Thick bastard. It's actually 220. Alright, that's stock. We'll try that. Stock set up for a soft tip, which is what this is. What am I doing, you dumbass? That's not stock. That is stock. I thought about putting a smaller washer on there, but I think that helps support the thin ass rotor from vibrating. I'm gonna leave it on. Just put the sprocket on now. Okay. Just gonna fire it a little bit. Show where anything is. Get in there to really see anything. Keep the ass, leaky ass line. Pretty much hits on every damn thing. Could be good, could be off. Hard to tell. It's either not enough or okay. This is the one we got that actually lines up close. A little bit past halfway. That's halfway. I think that's the most accurate spot I got to go from. It's right there. Coming off the rotor. So you're about halfway between the teeth there. So you hold this in there flat. And we'll see we're halfway between the teeth over here too. Pretty close. It's hard to tell, depending on how you hold this thing. So I'd say we're pretty damn close. Close enough for a chain. Chain has a little bit of leeway side to side because each link has clearance in the teeth, so you can be off this way on that sprocket, off that on the way, and the clearance in the link is your extra amount. So, you got a lot of extra. All right, I'm good with that. Okay, now I got to figure out this clutch situation. That's going to be a whole nother fiasco. I'm still not out of the ball game yet. It's getting closer. Figure this out over here now. Okay. Put a couple things away on the way. You go in there. Alright, that goes over there. Okay. Move that washer. Throw the crap away. Go-to box. Alright, throw your junk away, it makes life easier. Okay, clutch, stock clutch pack, my clutch pack, plates. All the plates. So this one doesn't count. It's already at the bottom. This is our stack height. This is our stack height. So we have way too many plates. It was equal before, so I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. Our stack height's not the same anymore. I don't know what happened. Yeah, did I steal any clutches out of here? These are brand new clutches over here. So I could fine tune these, I guess. Alright, be back in a minute.